God bless you. Senior Prophet Elijah Bamidele Loholo is my name. Quickly, I want to listen to what I have to say. This is what I have to say. And the Bible said that Elijah was used by God to perform 7 powerful and remarkable miracles. Then his spiritual son Elisha performed 14 remarkable miracles. Miracle that you will see, you say, yeah, this is God. 14. What happened between these two people? The father transferred double portion of anointing upon the son, and the son did double of what the father did. It is the prayer of every good and responsible father that their children should be greater than them. Any father, any mother that is angry that the son, the daughter is doing better than him or her, whether in ministry, in politics, in business, in whatever, that father, that mother is a wizard. You are a witch. A good father will always fight to make sure that their children are going up more than them. If they're big picky for outside, he will run, come house, call me papa, call report to papa. Papa will call command, will call start by now. Say, now my picky be this, don't touch my son. But I don't understand what is happening between Evangelist Ebuka and Reverend Father Mbaka. I don't want to say you are jealous of Evangelist Ebuka because I don't want to sound disrespectful. But sometimes all this our father sometimes now they behave like say, I don't know how what they put up. Some of these fathers. If Ebuka has offended you or did anything you don't like, call him to order. Sit him down. Say, son, this thing you did is not correct. I know a boy is full of respect. He will kneel down and say, Baba, I am sorry. Forgive me. I will do it again. But every day in your program, Ebuka Obi. People are asking me, what is your concern with Ebuka Obi? Ebuka Obi now your brother. Ebuka Obi is my brother. Yes, he's my brother. When the young generation pastor will not go take a easy with all these fathers. All these fathers will not get sense. Any father will not get sense. Will put you where you belong. If a child is not doing what you call him to order, must you be jealous of your son? Must you be envious of your son? I remember far back in 2009 when that young man was going through pain in Lagos in ministry. His own fellow Roman Catholic father were against him, fighting him. He ran to you. He cried to you. You wash his feet. You anointed and prayed for him and gave him a specific word. Fear not, countless times. I know many of you that are watching this video now, you have not come across that video. Oh yeah, watch it. Watch that video.
Say, fear not. Number 2, fear not. Number 3, fear not. Number 4, fear not. Number 5, fear not. Number 6, don't allow them to intimidate you. And number 7, hold on to God. Okay, yes, I can wear it. Ebuka, you are spiritually qualified. Thank you for what you have for us. Thank you.
Have you seen where he washed his feet? Have you seen where he said to him, fear not? What is the problem? Wait till una won't just buy this boy. What is your face of this young boy? I know what you are fight for. I'm a prophet. I know what you are fighting for. Let me tell you, in case you don't know, the Roman Catholic in Nigeria want to turn Zion ministry to Roman Catholic Church. They want to take the church from him by force, by fight. But you know what work? Isaiah 7 verse 7 said, he shall not stand, neither shall he come to pass. That young man suffered to build that ministry. He went through wilderness. He went through pain. Today, God is helping the boy. He said for you people to be hungry with him. When I walk, collect the church for your hand, send and go village, may you go to the farm. You know, go better for all of you. Wicked people. Wicked people. If you are a Zionite, you are watching this video. Share it. Let it get to all these wicked witches and wizards that call themselves fathers. Share, say it to them. Send it to them. They should leave Ebuka be alone. When I leave that boy, when I allow him to do what you got sent now. The boy is known all over the world. People are being blessed by his ministration. Encourage him. There is no how he will not make mistakes as a human being. And encourage him, advise him. Must you come out on your adoration ground and Ebuka every day? He said that Ebuka is doing Ebuka is doing faith prophecy. Ebuka is faith from the mouth of a man that he called father, a man he is supposed to be running to for help. He's not the one selling him out to his enemy. I don't know the kind of spirit some Igbo people get. I don't know. For where I came from, we know they do like this. We know they do like this. As big as Apostle Joseph Suleiman, he dey visit the churches of his son. He will go and preach for them, bless them, encourage them. I don't know. I know they do like this for our place. So I don't know what they do for our place. So I'm gonna leave Evangelist Ebuka. This is the last word I want to tell you, Reverend Father Mbaka. Leave Ebuka Obi alone. So that what happened between King David and King Saul will not repeat itself between you and Ebuka Obi. What happened between Saul and David will not happen between Reverend Father Mbaka and Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Leave him alone. A word is enough for the wise. May God preserve this young man, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. May God preserve Zion ministry, all the genuine Zionites all over the world. May God preserve you. All the Zionites that will share this video, send it to them. May your life never be cut short. I prophesied as a prophet of God. This is your season of miracle. Go and testify. Jesus Christ's name.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the next video.